At first, it seems like just another restless night. You toss, you turn, you glance at the clock. It's 3 a.m. Again. For those above 65, poor sleep becomes more than an inconvenience. It becomes a hidden danger. What most don't realize is that sleep isn't just rest. It's restoration. And without enough of it, your brain begins to quietly suffer. Our brain is like a living library, full of stories, faces, emotions, and memories. And sleep is the caretaker of that library. Every night, during deep sleep, the brain files memories, clears waste, and resets its circuits. But when sleep hours are cut short, especially in later life, this delicate balance is disrupted. Before we go deeper, if this message touches your heart, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to our channel. We create meaningful content just for you, powerful, emotional, and filled with wisdom for life after 65. Your support helps this message reach those who need it most. So what really happens when you sleep less after 65? The answer is more serious than you might expect. Studies show that even 1 hour less sleep per night can increase the risk of cognitive decline. Your memory, attention span, and emotional control begin to weaken, slowly, subtly, but surely. It starts small. Forgetting a name, misplacing your glasses. But these are not just signs of aging, they're signs that your brain didn't get the repair time it needed. Just like a car engine overheating without a cool down, your brain begins to fray under constant use and too little rest. One of the most overlooked effects of sleep deprivation in older adults is mood imbalance. Lack of sleep can make you more irritable, anxious, or even depressed. That's because your brain's emotional center, the amygdala, becomes overactive while your regulation center, the prefrontal cortex, weakens without rest. Sleep is also when your brain detoxifies itself. Literally. The glymphatic system, a cleansing network in the brain, becomes active mostly during deep sleep. It flushes out harmful proteins like beta amyloid, which are linked to Alzheimer's disease. Less sleep equals more buildup equals more risk. This isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to wake you up gently to the truth. You deserve better rest. The later years of life aren't meant to be foggy. They're meant to be clear, joyful, and full of presence. But sleep is the gateway to that clarity. Many seniors believe that needing less sleep is a natural part of aging. But this is a myth. While sleep patterns do change, the need for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep remains. What changes is our ability to fall and stay asleep, not the need itself. Chronic sleep deprivation is now being linked to faster brain aging. Brain scans of sleep-deprived seniors show reduced gray matter volume, especially in regions responsible for decision-making, language, and memory. It's like the brain is literally shrinking under the pressure. And it's not just memory. Sleep affects your focus, balance, and even your walking. When the brain is tired, it can't coordinate the body well. That's why sleep-deprived seniors have higher risks of falls and accidents. One night of poor sleep can impact your physical safety. Let's talk about dreams. Yes, dreams. They aren't random. During REM sleep, your brain processes emotions and trauma. Seniors who sleep less often report higher emotional distress and unresolved feelings. Because dreams are your mind's natural therapy, and they're being cut short. Over time, your brain stops adapting as well to new things. You become less curious, less flexible in thought, less creative. But it's not you, it's your tired brain trying to conserve energy. Sleep isn't just rest. It's mental rejuvenation. For many elderly people, medications, pain, or bathroom trips disrupt sleep. But instead of accepting this as fate, small changes can make a big difference. A sleep-friendly room, calming evening rituals, and avoiding screens at night can truly improve sleep quality. Lack of sleep also impacts immune strength. Seniors who sleep poorly are more prone to illness. That's because the immune system recharges during sleep, just like your brain. Without enough rest, you're not just tired, you're more vulnerable. What about naps? While short naps, 20 to 30 minutes, can help, they don't replace deep nighttime sleep. The most powerful brain healing occurs in cycles, especially deep sleep that only comes after 90 minutes of uninterrupted rest. Some even experience hallucinations, confusion, or misjudgment after long-term sleep loss. It's not dementia, it's exhausted brain function. With proper sleep, many of these symptoms reduce or disappear entirely. Your brain deserves peace. It served you for decades, holding every smile, every memory, every lesson. Now, it's asking for your help. And all it needs is time, quiet time. Every hour you sleep is a gift you give back to your mind. People often say, "I'll sleep when I'm dead." But for seniors, Sleep is what keeps life vivid, vibrant, and full of meaning. It protects your thoughts, your laughter, your ability to enjoy time with those you love. It's never too late to improve your sleep. The brain is remarkably adaptable. Even a few weeks of better rest can bring noticeable improvements in mood, memory, and energy. Your body may age, but your brain can still glow with life. Sleep is self-love. It's a declaration that you matter, that your mental clarity, emotional peace, and physical energy are worth protecting. Let every night be your personal retreat, your healing temple. Talk to your doctor if sleep problems persist. Sometimes the issue is medical, sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, or medication side effects. But don't ignore the signs. Your brain is whispering to you, and it's time to listen. Take small steps. Go to bed at the same time. Dim the lights an hour before. Listen to soft music or meditation. Avoid caffeine after lunch. Let the evening be a slow landing, not a crash. You are not alone in this. Millions of seniors struggle silently with sleep, thinking it's normal. But now you know the truth. Sleep is brain medicine. You owe it to yourself to rest with intention. If this message touched you, like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to create meaningful, life-changing content for our 65-plus community. Help others rediscover the power of peaceful nights and sharp minds. Because the most beautiful dreams are still waiting for you.